Hello guys, I hope you're okay. Let's see what's happening in the market today. We had an amazing day today for the gold, and because gold had the sell today, and let's see on the screen what actually had happened. Right, today is the 20th and 20th of July 2023, and see what happened today. We had heavy impact news and low impact news as well. The heavy impact was positive and the low impact was negative. So it was low impact, so it didn't make much difference. However, the positive news did make a difference. Also, we have positive news in AUD USD in the morning time, which normally AUD affects the gold prices as well. If so, it goes usually in the direction of the gold AUD. So hence, and also Dixie as well was bounced up to the upside, and you know that if Dixie bounced to the upside, then gold has a reverse effect, and vice versa. Before I go to Dixie, let's see what's happening tomorrow. Tomorrow we don't have much news in USD. However, we have some news in CAD, which momentarily affects the gold prices usually. And we have a JPY if you trade on JPY pairs. And let's go on Dixie. As I previously drawn this for this support level, Dixie has respected this level. You can see on a weekly, and a weekly is more clear, and also in if you draw Fibonacci level here, what you will see that 0.61 level, the golden ratio level is this as well. So market bounce from this level. And monthly, weekly, you can see here this clearly. And daily, you clearly see the rejection from here. Now, market does stand at this level. It's possibly a retest. If not, the market further can go to these levels. Because monthly is bearish. And however, this is golden ratio as well. We can see rejection to the upside. And I don't know how long this rejection will last for. But if the market comes down here, then we can see further levels. If market maybe it ranges here before to the upside or coming to the downside, we'll see how market behaves. So these are some important levels, as you can see. You can always refine these levels. These are in higher time frame, and when you go lower time frame, you refine the levels. Let's go gold, our all-time favorite. All right, gold. How the gold moved. These are some levels which I drawn, and this is a channel. These levels, as you can see, these were the levels which I drawn yesterday. And once this level is broken, market came here, a retest on this, and even came down to this side. So it's amazing profits today. There's a 4H chart, and you say rejection in 4 hours. And You can see here, right? In daily, there was a daily rejection here. That's a very good sign, bearish sign. But before the market went up, sorry, before market went down, it went to the upside. And then it went to down, came down. Let's see what's happening in weekly. Let me remove these levels. Drawing the Fibonacci. If this, we call this is a rejection. First of all, let's market has rejected from the top on 0.6 level. This is 0. Market has rejected from this 0.6 level, which is this level. And you can see this bullish candle here, this morning star, and now taking into consideration just this leg. Let me draw the Fibonacci from here to here now. See, the market already reached 0.5 level here, which is a strong level, and then 0.6. So we can definitely expect to this level before the market comes down, even further, or even go to the upside. However, let's see what's happening in daily. In daily, we have very structure. But the way the market is moving, bear in mind that this is a strong area. However, the way the market is moving, it may consolidate before it breaks this level and come to this level here, 2011. And this may happen, especially with the Dixie going to the upside, we can see further move to the downside in gold. This is M pattern. And if the rejection remains valid, if it doesn't break to the downside, we can expect further move to this level here. That's for a scenario. And going on to 1 hour, let me draw some levels here. These are some important levels. This is the strongest level here, and this zone is the strongest zone. Once that's broken, then we can expect further move to the around 2000. And if this level is broken, we can see sharp movement to the downside. Let me, okay, 1945, and then it's 1940 levels. So there were 940. That was a stronger level, 1940. 1945 and 1940 levels. They are the strongest levels. However, we have to keep an eye on Dixie how it moves, and with the news effect, we can find good trades with the looking at the volume of the market. I hope this is helpful and you have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye bye.